Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jua. I'm an online tutor, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this tube dress with strap. It is very easy and comfy, and if you are fast it will take you less than 1 hour to make. But before we go straight to the video, I want you to hit the like button for me. It will help this video reach a wider audience, and also hit the subscribe button. So start by folding the fabric. I'm going to show you how I folded mine. This material is long. I used 3 yards. Yes, 3 yards to create this. So I first folded it into two, then I now fold it like this, like you see me doing on your screen. So after folding it, the next thing is for us to now cut up cut open this side. If you cut open this side, this is where our measurement will be going through, while the other side will be our midpoint. So we are cutting both the back and front together because the back and front is the same thing. So before we do that, we are going to open this place. We open this place. Our fabric is folded into four because we are cutting back and front together. So I'm going to mark my starting point, which is also, and that half inch that I'm leaving behind is going to be my stitch allowance for my upper body, that is my chest. So I'm going to stitch just half inch. So my chest line is, for my shoulder to my chest that I'm using, is 7 inch. So I'm going to place that 7 inch on top of my starting point and roll it down to get the full length of my gown. So after getting that, then I'm now going to start taking my horizontal measurements. The only horizontal measurement we are going to be using is our hip line. Our hip line divided by 4. We are going to place it there like this. Then we'll add extra 3 inch. We added extra 3 inch and 1 inch stitch allowance, everything 4 inch. Remember, I added extra 3 inch. If you want it a bit wider and your fabric is not that strong, you can use 4 inch plus 1 inch stitch allowance. But if your fabric is very thick or you don't want it to be too full, you can use 3 inch plus 1 inch stitch allowance, everything 4 inch. So I'm using the same measurement for my hip all through round because it's a smoky gown. I don't have to take my bust measurements, my chest, or the rest. I just use the fullest part of my body divided by 4 plus extra 3 inch and 1 inch stitch allowance. Then I cut it off. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section. And also, that's all for the cutting. Now this is how to sew it. So this is what it looks like. Front and back has been cut. So now we are going to fold that half inch that we left behind for our chest. We are going to fold it in very tiny. Since the front and back is the same thing, whatever we are doing for the front, we'll also do it for the back. So we're going to fold it with half inch both, and this is what it looks like after folding them. So next thing now is to turn it to the right side. We turn our fabric to the right side, place our 7 inch chest line on top of our starting point like this. Then we are going to take it down to where we want the smoking to stop, which is 2 inch below our bust point. If you like, you can use 4 inch. Turn your fabric to the right side and make your straight lines on it. That is, if you cannot make a straight stitch, you are going to turn your fabric to the right side, make a straight line like you see me do on the paper. You will make it on the right side of your fabric with your chalk. You just line it up like this on your fabric, the right side of your fabric. That will serve as a guide on for you to sew a straight line. This trick is for beginners that cannot sew on a straight line. And this is the kind of thread we use to sew smoked clothes like this. Use this elastic thread to make your smoked outfit. So you are going to reel it on your reeler like this. When you are done, you place it underneath. This is where it goes. while your real normal everyday thread will be placed on top of it like this. And for the setting of your machine, you are going to reduce it like you are doing gathers, loose stitch. Yeah, you are going to be doing a loose stitch. So while sewing, you are going to be sewing on the right side. That is why I asked you to make your lines on the right side of your fabric, like you see I demonstrated on the paper. So me, I didn't do that because of course I already know how to make a straight stitch, so I didn't mark my fabric with chalks on the right side. So I'm going to sew. This is what it looks like after sewing 3 lines. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video. It's a form of saying thank you. So this is what it looks like. I think this took me about 35 to 40 minutes to sew both the back and front. So now I'm going to join the front and the back together. I will close it with just half-inch stitch allowance. For my straps, I'm going to cut 4 pieces like this. So I cut for the length was 20. You can make yours longer, you can make it even 30, depends on how you want it. Why for the width is 5. So when I fold it into two like this and I take my measurement is 2.5, meaning I'm going to be stitching half-inch. I'll be left with 2 inch. This is what it looks like after stitching. The length, so I stitch 4, you have to stitch 4 please. So the length of my strap is 20 like I said, while the width is 2 inch wide. So that is all for the strap. So now to attach it, to attach your strap to your dress, from this place that you stitch, of course you turn your dress to the wrong side. From that stitch on the side, you are going to come out by 2.5. I did came out by 2 inch while making this video, but I later adjust my strap to 2.5. Your strap, one side is closed of course, so that side that is opened, that's where you are going to be attaching to your dress. You will close one side while closing it up, then the open part is where you are going to be stitching to your dress. So I'm going to come out, that's what I will do on the first side. You come out from that side of your dress, you come out by 2.5 inch, then you place it on top of that 2.5 inch, pin it down like this, then you stitch it. I'll do for both the back and the front. That's basically all. If you enjoyed this video or you find it useful, don't forget to like so that it can reach a wider audience, and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.